In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to put stop loss inside of Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokers like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to go over to the specific stock that you want to add a stop loss to. So from here, I'll just go up to the search bar in the left-hand corner and then go up and click KO or Coca-Cola right here. Once from here, you'll be able to see 3 different charts from 1 week to 1 day to every 15 minutes down here. From here, you'll need to go over to the right-hand side and go over to Coca-Cola Co. over here, where you'll be able to click Buy Order. Now from here, once you click Buy Order, you'll be able to add in the quantity of how many stocks you want to own, and you can choose between shares and USD down here. From here, you'll also be able to choose between limit or a market order. From here, you can also add a limit price, time in force, and to enter in a stop loss, you'll simply need to go down to attach orders, and then from here you'll be able to add in a profit taker and a stop loss right here. From here you'll be able to add in your stop loss and the stop loss time in force. From here, once you click all of this, you'll just need to click submit buy order and click transit inside of the order confirmation, like so. As you can see down here, order submitted and order filled already. And once from here, you'll need to go over to your portfolio and then over to orders, where you'll be able to see that your KO down here with a stop loss is submitted right here. That's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!